Meaning of dim sim.
Dim sim.
Dim sim.
Dim sim.
Dim sim. Dim sim is a type of Chinese-inspired snack commonly found in Australia and New Zealand. It consists of a small, steamed or fried dumpling filled with various ingredients such as pork, chicken, prawn, or vegetables. The dough used to make dim sim is usually a mixture of wheat flour, tapioca starch, and water. Dim sim is often served with soy sauce, chili sauce, or other dipping sauces. Its popularity has spread beyond the Chinese communities, and today, it is widely available in supermarkets and food outlets across the two countries.